So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on a Suzuki SX4 1.6 petrol. First thing we need to do is open the bonnet. Next thing is just release these little clips at the back here. And then it's hinged at the bottom there, so you just have to pivot it back and we can see the old air filter there. That's the part number of the old one. Got to make sure this is the correct one. There we go. Looks good. Bit cleaner this one, so just got to slip it inside. Just basically got a couple of tags and a couple of hoops that they need to go into at the bottom. Then just put that into place. Last thing we need to do is just check around the side just to make sure that is all flush down here, so that is all good. So simple as that. Thanks for watching. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos just like this.